Become the man you were born to be. NoFap's second cousin is sperm retention. The 90-day reboot and semen retention are two sides of the same coin, and without semen retention, you won't reap the full benefits of the reboot. The number one rule of keeping your sperm is not to waste them on meaningless MO, meaning masturbation without looking at pornography. The second does not ejaculate while making love. You'll feel like a sexual deity the moment you get used to sex without climax. Note that it is common to experience the sensation of having blue balls from time to time while training for semen retention. Next, the main idea behind semen retention is that you should never ejaculate. This will improve your health in a number of ways, including the quantity and quality of your semen. There is a 40 to 60-day window for sperm to develop fully. It is standard practice at sperm donation facilities to have donors go without fapping for several days before the donation. Without these conditions, the sperm would be unusable for transplants. The topic of sperm retention can be discussed in other ways. For example, NoFap on hard mode is a code word only the in the know would understand. Ejaculating isn't the only thing you have to avoid when playing NoFap on hard mode. You also have to avoid edging to porn, which is widely acknowledged as one of the worst things you can do to your member. The chemistry of sperm storage is founded on two facts. These are truths that have been verified by science and should not be open to online dispute. Okay, so here's the first rule. Masturbation depletes zinc, a crucial mineral for male health. Zinc supplements are sold on Amazon. Zinc has numerous positive effects on health. A loss of even a few milligrams would cause me extreme discomfort. And it's not just zinc that gets flushed down the toilet when you masturbate. Other trace minerals go down the drain as well. Save your sperm for at least 3 weeks if you don't believe me, and you'll feel better in no time. Masturbation causes an increase in prolactin. Definitely a game changer, this one. The hormone prolactin is among the most undesirable substances to have in your system. Except if you are nursing a baby. While females are more likely to produce prolactin, excess levels in females, especially young girls, might be problematic. Men have it even worse. Maintaining your sperm for an extra week might increase your testosterone levels by 45% and give you a deeper voice. The process will take around a week, but after that, you'll notice that your voice is gradually deepening over time, and you already know that women appreciate a deeper voice. In the modern world, it is one of the most prevalent mental illnesses. As soon as we've finished masturbating, our demeanor shifts drastically, and we experience intense feelings of guilt. It's a vicious cycle. They masturbate, then they feel bad, and then they masturbate again because they're upset. In theory, this feedback loop could cause irreversible brain damage. It has the potential to profoundly alter your feelings and maybe drive you to the depths of depression. A person needs quick assistance in these situations. Simply put, libido refers to a person's overall urge to engage in sexual activities. Most NoFap adherents have reported an increase in sexual desire, but this time it's for the genuine thing rather than an act. A practitioner of NoFap, on the other hand, can rein in these impulses and channel them instead towards things like physical activity, academic pursuits, and other endeavors that call for a great deal of focus and mental fortitude. Researchers sought out men between the ages of 40 and 70 to help with their study. Those who were given a large dose of testosterone reported a dramatic improvement in their sexual desire. Possibly it's just a game of high testosterone. Here's yet another bonus for those who follow the NoFap or semen retention lifestyle. I agree that people should exercise caution before acting rashly, yet the odds of achieving success are low if they never take any significant risks. Think of Steve Jobs as an illustration. When Steve first launched Apple, he wasn't exactly rolling in dough. He didn't finish college, but he took a chance and is now famous around the world. One study found that men who had higher testosterone levels were also more likely to take financial risks. Find more information here. Calcium, vitamin C, citric acid, lactic acid, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, vitamin B12, and zinc are just some of the many vitamins and minerals included in our semen. Antioxidants help our immune system by scavenging harmful free radicals, and these critical vitamins and minerals do double duty as both. Having sex is a man's highest priority because it fulfills his psychological and physical demands. A man will do anything for sexual satisfaction. To paraphrase Freud, when we give ourselves the same feeling as sex through porn and masturbation, we feel content, like we don't have to do anything else now because we have received what we wanted. But when we forbid ourselves to enjoy the implausible, our minds start to make us pursue the more plausible pleasures. Then, we take action that may lead to meeting a genuine female, and last, we take action that may lead us to success in our endeavor to find a lifelong companion. The first chakra is the root. The earth element provides the source of its power. One of its associations is a sense of security and stability. It's the foundation for growth and development in your life and can be found at the bottom of the chakra system. At the very bottom of the spine is where you'll discover the root chakra. The pelvic plexus is located in close proximity to the perineum and the first three vertebrae. The energy cone representing this chakra often begins at the base of the spine, descends, and then curves slightly upwards. People who practice NoFap for an extended period of time report feeling an expansion of their base chakra. The pleasure from masturbation and pornography only lasts for a few hours before the harsh light of day returns. Addicts to masturbation often struggle with feelings of guilt and sadness, and this might lead them to engage in more masturbation to alleviate their emotions. If you want to feel better and have your dopamine levels return to normal, then stop masturbating. When things return to normal, you'll be able to take pleasure in even the smallest of moments. That's it for today. Make sure you press the like and subscribe buttons so that you can enjoy upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.